Hey guys, happy Monday. John Bonias here, County Auction Sales Advisors. So thank you to the people who have already signed up for the course this Thursday, Friday, and the Saturday and Sunday session. Right now we still have one spot available for the Thursday, Friday course promo. And for the Saturday, Sunday, we still have 3 available. So I limit it to 4 per workshop. Once again, it's a 2-day workshop where we're going to give you full access to the tax deed online course. You will have that for life. That's included in there. Number 2 is the 2-day live workshop, which will be recorded and then sent to you afterwards. So you'll always have access to live for that as well. Now, what we're going to do at the conclusion of this 2-day workshop is we will also have a Q&A where we can answer anything on strategies with the properties, how to Airbnb the properties, how to sell the properties without an agent, how to write up your own contracts, send them to title companies, rehab questions. Anything that you have on that will be specific to that Q&A. In addition, we're giving you continuous support for the next 6 months after this, pretty much, where you can send me any properties, call, text, email me, and I will scrub the properties for you that you have any questions over. Number 5 on there that I'm going to provide as well for the next 6 months is any contractor vetting on bids and bid approvals that you may need, because after we get you your property, you're going to want to find a reputable contractor to work with. If it's here in San Antonio or local surrounding counties, I can help you out there on that end. If it's counties elsewhere, I'm going to definitely help you find the right contractor for you that you're going to want to be working with. And then send me the bids that you're getting. I'll make sure that they're including everything that you need. I'll make sure that the price is fair according to what the market should be charging. I will vet these contractors for you and make sure that it's a reputable company that you should trust. In addition to that, with the 2-day workshop, I will be teaching you guys the full workshop in depth and going over it, providing extra insights and feedback and everything that you need to know to be successful in the tax deed strategy. Whether we're going to do this in Dallas, Harris County, San Antonio, Nueces County, any county in Texas, this method is effective and we get properties at the lowest prices possible. Like rock bottom, that's it. This is the cheapest way to get them. It's just you have to know what you're doing. You have to have the money to play. Once again, 1 spot available open right now for Thursday or Friday. 3 spots still available for Saturday and Sunday. So for everything that we just talked about here, the course is usually $19.97 just by itself online. If you sign up for the 2-day workshop, you're going to get the workshop, the course, everything else I talked about included for $14.97. So a heck of a savings there that I'm doing for April, and I really want to get all these spots filled up. So like I said, I got 1 available for the Thursday, Friday course, and I got 3 available still for the weekend course. 210-767-CASA. Text me, give me your information. We'll go from there. If you want to schedule a call, same thing, 210-767-CASA. We can talk about this anytime this week, and I can see if this is an effective strategy for you. I wouldn't want you to buy into the course or the workshop if it's not a strategy that will even work for you. So there are some criteria that you need to meet in order for this to be effective for you. So if you'd like to schedule that free call first, 210-767-CASA. I'll be here waiting for you guys.